Now I'd like to talk about the controversy that has been raging in India about uniform civil code. The idea of uniform civil code is enshrined in the Article 44 of the Constitution. It is one of the directive principles of state policy. Now, the idea of uniform civil code implies that all citizens, irrespective of their religion or customs, must be governed by the same laws regarding marriage, divorce, inheritance and adoption, etc. The demand for uniform civil code is as old as our constitution and has been affirmed by Supreme Court on various occasions. There are indeed many merits in the idea of uniform civil code. It will lead to secularization and modernization of personal law, one. Secondly, a secular, fair and unbiased uniform civil code would lead to gender justice because all traditional religions are patriarchal. Thirdly, it will lead to greater social cohesion. Uniform civil code will facilitate, in fact, interfaith marriages, creating better integration in Indian society. However, the idea has become contentious. Those who argue on behalf of religious minorities and tribal communities regard uniform civil code as an assault on Indian ethos of unity in diversity, something that we pride in. Thus, there is a need to build a consensus in favor of a secular uniform civil code by mobilizing civil society before we draft and implement a uniform civil code for India.